Okay, this time we're looking at a Year 3 objective using a formal written method for multiplication. And the sum we're going to complete at the top there is 6 times 43. And I'm going to use the grid method for now to try and solve this. The way I've set it out will become clear as I work through the process with you. First of all though, I need to put down that I'm multiplying by 6 as a reminder at the top here. And then I've got 43 has been partitioned into tens and into units. So in this pile here, for this example I'm going to use place value counters. The yellows each represent 10. So there's 40, but the problem is asking me to have 6 lots of 6 times 40. So I'm going to create 6 piles of 40. And we'd expect most children, once they become fluent with number, to be able to count in tens confidently through 100 and count those up. So I've got 40, another 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240. So children count in tens and quickly establish that 6 lots of 40 is going to leave them with 240. Now, children that are particularly confident with this will recognise that 6 times 4 makes 24, so 6 times 40 is 240. They're known number facts. Okay, and I record that underneath, and where I put the numbers is important for the next stage. After that, I'm going to make 3 lots of 6. So again, using place value counters, the units are in red this time. I've got 3 units, but I want that 6 times. Okay, I've got 6 lots of those 3. So I place those down on my visual model. And because the children are so well drilled in their 3 times table, thanks to my wonderful singing assembly, they can quickly work out that 6 lots of 3 are 18. Again, that gets recorded, and you can see how I've set that out there with the units lined up and the tens lined up, ready for the next process. Because what we need to do next is add those two together, which is why I've got that large equal sign at the bottom of my sum. So I'm going to add the units first. 0 add 8 makes 8. Then I'm going to add the tens to make 50, and then finally I just have 200. Now, if need be, children could go back to their physical model for that method, but we don't look at multiplication until the children have got a firm grip of addition, so that bit should be fairly fluent and done without the need for concrete or physical apparatus.